Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna create a simple workaround guide on how to short Bitcoin on Kraken. So to get started with a quick workaround and step-by-step guide on how you can easily short Bitcoin on Kraken. So the first thing to do, which is your first step, is to enable the margin trading. So to get started with that, you have to open the Kraken app, then from there switch to the advanced pro interface and enable the margin trading in your account settings. Then after that, you have to move funds to margin wallet. So to do this, transfer some of your balance from your spot wallet to your margin wallet to use as collateral. Then after that, you have to set your trading pair. So to get started with that, go to trade, choose sales and pick any trading pair or the trading market pair of your choice, or pick anyone. Then from there, set a leverage and order. Then choose your leverage, which is up to 5 times. Then set up the amount of Bitcoin in short and replace a sell order. Place a sell order. And after that, close the position later. So when ready, buy back your Bitcoin, which is your BTC, in the same pair to settle the position and repay the borrowed amount. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.